Ulta Beauty Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? You won't believe how quickly rewards add up at Ulta if you shop smart. Most people assume store cards are limited, but the Ulta Beauty Credit Card offers perks that go beyond simple purchases. The card earns 3 points per dollar at Ulta, 1 point per dollar elsewhere, and points can be redeemed for discounts on future purchases. New cardholders get a bonus on their first purchase, and frequent shoppers can enjoy additional promotions throughout the year. Perks include early access to sales, birthday gifts, and special events for cardholders. There's no annual fee, which lowers risk, and mobile tools make it easy to track points and manage spending. The downside? Rewards outside Ulta are minimal, and high interest rates apply if you carry a balance. Verdict: worth it for beauty enthusiasts and frequent Ulta shoppers who want rewards and perks. Leave it if you rarely shop at Ulta or want broader cashback options.